Finding middle ground, the art of compromise. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase, come to a compromise. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about grasping an essential aspect of communication and conflict resolution. Let's explore what it means to come to a compromise, why it's important, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. When people come to a compromise, they are finding a way to resolve a disagreement or a dispute by each person agreeing to give up something that they want. In simpler terms, it's about meeting halfway. Imagine two friends arguing over which movie to watch. One wants a comedy. The other prefers action. If they decide to watch a movie that has elements of both genres, they have come to a compromise. This phrase highlights the importance of flexibility and willingness to adjust one's stance for the greater good of reaching an agreement. Compromising is a critical skill in all areas of life, from personal relationships to the professional world. It demonstrates your ability to listen, understand, and value the perspective of others. By coming to a compromise, you show that you are cooperative and considerate, two traits highly valued in any social interaction. It's about finding a balance where everyone can be satisfied with the outcome, even if it's not their first choice. This leads to healthier relationships, more productive discussions, and a more positive environment overall. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal negotiations. Here are some examples. After a long discussion, we finally came to a compromise on our holiday destination. The team members had different opinions on the project, but they came to a compromise to meet the deadline. It's not easy, but we need to come to a compromise to solve this issue. Notice how the phrase is used to describe the process of reaching an agreement that everyone can accept. It's a powerful way to express that an agreement has been made through mutual concession. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of coming to a compromise. It's a phrase that not only enriches your vocabulary but also your interpersonal skills. Remember, compromising doesn't mean you're losing. It means you're working towards a solution that respects everyone's needs and preferences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.